in this, we'll see the interpolation search. Once you understand the binary search method, interpolation search will also work in the same way. Okay, like for example, in binary search binary search technique, the elementary requirement is the data should be or the list should be in the sorted order. The same technique or the same requirement is there for the interpolation search also. Next one is in the binary search, the search will be taken place with the help of the indexes, that is low and high, and we'll calculate a midpoint. We'll check or we'll compare the key that what we are going to search with the index of the midpoint, and if it is less than the index of the midpoint, then the corresponding indexes will be modified. The low will become low like that only, but high is equal to mid. Okay, and we'll go for searching of the value again and again, either by recursion or either by iteration. In case of interpolation search, in the binary search we'll use the indexes, but in case of interpolation search we'll use the values at the rotary indexes. So we'll take the help of both the index and the value. Then based on that, a small formula will be defined in the interpolation search. That formula will be applied depending upon the corresponding value. So if the key is less than the value that was obtained via that particular formula, a fixed formula is there. If it is less than that, then the formula will be remodified to mid index and the higher index. So this is what the interpolation search. In the binary search, we'll take the help of indexes, but in case of interpolation search, both the indexes and values in the corresponding index. These two will be considered for the searching of an element via interpolation search. The technique used in the interpolation search is like this. For example, if you want to search a key, then there is a low index of the sorted list and there is a high index. The mid value is calculated like this using the indexes and the corresponding values. The low value, that is low, plus high index value, high, minus low index value, low, by the corresponding value at this index, that is A. For example, this is the sorted list. The sorted list is named as A, then A of low, okay, and A of high. So high minus low by A of high minus A of low into the key that what we are going to search, key minus A of low. This is the fixed formula that was represented in the interpolation search. So by using this fixed formula, we'll go for calculating the M, and we'll search that particular M value. We'll compare the key value with that M value. If it is less than the mid value, that is the array of mid value, then A of high will become the mid, okay, and again the same formula will be applicable, and again the key value will be compared with the A of mid. Okay, if A of mid is equal to the key value, then the key was found. If A of mid is greater than the key value, then again that mid value will become the A high, again high value, and the same formula will be repeated, and till you find the element in the list, the particular repetition will go on, and finally it will identify whether the key is available in the array or not. So previously what we did is in the binary search tree, if the key is less than the A of mid, then high became the mid. But here, based upon this formula, that particular mid calculation takes place. So here we are going to take the help of index and index corresponding value. that is low index and low index corresponding value, high index and high index corresponding value. These things we are going to consider, and we are going to form this particular mid value calculation. Okay, this is what the interpolation search is. So here this is search operation. Begin low is equal to 1 and high is equal to n, while r of high dot k is greater than key and key is greater than r of low dot k. Do this is the formula we are going to use. This is the mid calculation. Based upon the mid calculation, we go for searching of the key in the sorted list. This is what the interpolation search. Now we'll go for the coding of this interpolation search. So previously we have written the functions of linear search, binary search, and the quicksort. We have copy pasted from the quicksort function because this binary search will be applicable on the sorted list. In the same way, our interpolation search also. We'll refine the function interpolation search void interpolation search. In this also we require int array, int low, int high, and int key. These are the values we need to search. Now we need to calculate the mid. Int mid is equal to the mid formula we have seen previously in the slide. So this is the mid formula. Mid is equal to low plus high minus low by a of high minus a of low into key minus a of low. This formula used to be used for the mid calculation. If key is less than mid, then high will become mid. Otherwise, low will become the mid. So this thing we are supposed to make, and we need to perform the. We need to either we may code via iteration or we may code via recursion. So let us implement the same formula here. Low plus high minus low into key minus a of low by a of high minus a of low. So mid value is calculated like this. If mid is less, if key is less than a of mid, then what to do? The high value will become the mid value. Okay, and else if key is greater than a of mid, then low will become the mid minus 1. Else if key is equal to a of mid, then printf key percentile d was found at index percentile d key comma mid, then simply return. Now if key is less than a of mid, recursively call the interpolation search. Interpolation search of a comma low is low only. Now high will become the mid minus 1 because already mid we have used it, mid minus 1. Next key, where in case of key is greater than a of mid, interpolation search of a comma. Now the low will become mid plus 1 and high is high only. That's all. It looks similar to the binary search tree. Previously in the binary search tree, it's not binary search tree, I'm sorry. Here the searching will take place like binary search. In the case of binary search, the mid is equal to low plus high by 2, but in the case of interpolation search, we have used the formula given in the slide, that is low plus high minus low into key minus a of low by a of high minus a of low. When the key is less than a of mid, now high will become mid minus 1. If key is greater than a of mid, high will be like that only, but low will become the mid plus 1. That's all. This is the interpolation search. Now we'll write a function. We'll call this function in the main method, and we'll see whether the interpolation search is working fine or not. So here we'll go for printf interpolation search of a comma 0 comma size -1 comma 75. In binary search, we have seen the element 75 was found at the index 12. The same should be should also be there for the should be the output for the interpolation search. So here is the output of the interpolation search, in which first the elements are arranged in the sorted order with the help of the quick sort. Then we gone for searching of the key 75, and the 75 is the key was found at the index 12. So this is the way the interpolation search will work, and this is the end of the interpolation search video.